Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how I make money with Deepseek and Pinterest affiliate marketing. And actually I'm going to show you how I go viral on Pinterest, on TikTok, on Instagram and on YouTube. So what we are going to do, we are actually going to make infographics. Why infographics? Because infographics show facts and figures in visually appealing way. And that is why people like infographics. But problem is, there is lots and lots and lots of infographics in all kind of niches. So competition is too big, it is too strong. So what I actually did, I actually start making infographic videos because those are even more visually appealing and people start liking those like crazy and they start sharing those videos, infographic videos, with their friends like crazy and they start getting lots and lots of organic followers and also lots of organic views and organic traffic. So today I'm going to show you how to make those infographic videos. So first thing you need to do, you need to make your Pinterest page, TikTok page, Instagram page, and YouTube channel. Now second thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. So third thing you need to do, you need to go on Deepseek and you need to give it a prompt. So let's say for example that I'm in weight loss niche. So here I will say something like this. Give me data for my infographic about keto diet and then press enter. And now Deepseek will give me those data. This may take a few seconds. As you can see, it's already giving me some data, some informations. Here you can see some data and informations. Okay, Deepseek finished giving me data and here you can see this is not exactly what I want. So I will give it a new prompt. I will say something like this. Give me facts and figures and then press enter. And here you can see Deepseek will start giving me facts and figures about keto diet. Here you can see now these are exactly data that I need. 13 million Americans have this problem. Here you can see numbers, facts and numbers, and that is exactly what I need for my infographics, for my video infographic. So next thing I need to do, I need to start making my video, my infographic video. Now for that I'm going to use a website called Genially. Okay, I'm not sure that I pronounced this well. Now you can register for a free account and they also have a paid account, so I will just log in. Okay, this is how your dashboard will look. So what you need to do, you need to go here on templates and then here you need to search for infographics, okay? And here you will get lots of infographic, video infographic templates that you can use in all kind of niches. So for example, let's just say I wish to use this template here. Just click here on view this template. And here you can see, as you can see, this is how this video looks. So I need to click here on use this template, okay? And now I can edit this template, okay? So here you can see how this looks. Now, problem is they do have a free plan, but you will have to deal with this watermark here. Also, big problem is on free plan, you cannot download this video. On the paid plan, you will not have this watermark here and you will be able to download this video. Alternatively, you can use Canva to make these video infographics and also you can use Adobe Express to make these video infographics, but Genially is actually the best for making video infographics and that is why I use this website. So now you can edit everything here. So for example, let's just say I wish to change this text here. All I have to do is just double click and I can say whatever I want. Okay, I can also change the text style. I can simply click here on this A and I can choose one of these text styles. So for example, let's just say I don't want this image here. All I have to do is just click on that image and then simply click delete, okay? And now let's just say I wish to add some charts. So I will simply click here on resources. And here you can see there is all kind of resources. So let's say, for example, I wish to add some graphics and tables. Click here on show more and I can choose one of these. For example, let's just say I wish to use donut. I will simply click on it. And here you can see it added here. So I can actually drag this and make it smaller. And I can also reposition it, as you can see here. So let me just make this larger so you can see this better, okay? Here you can see how this looks. So when I double click here, here you can see items. I can change the name of this item. So for example, let's just say keto, for example, okay? And I can change also this value. As you can see, it is really similar. This table is really similar to Google Sheets and also Microsoft Excel. So I can say, for example, let's just say 25. Here I can say, for example, diet, okay? And here I will say, for example, let's just say 10, okay? And here you can see this is changing. As you can see here, it is changing. So let's say I am finished. So I can now edit this further. As you can see, this doesn't have any animation currently. So I can add some animation. So simply I will click on it and then I will click here, okay? And now I can add some animation. So now I need to click here. You can see, as you can see, effects, none. So I will say, for example, focus, okay? Focus, here you can see it is focusing, okay? Here I can add, for example, zoom, as you can see, and I can also add slide, as you can see here. So for example, let's just say bounce, and here you can see I can change the slide, and I will actually leave it like this. And now here you can see how this looks. Now this is already much better than the regular infographics. I can also animate this text. I can animate these images here. For example, let's just say I will add this. Actually, I will add this. And I will also add this text here. As you can see, I am animating everything. Now this is important. Here you can see speed. So let me just go back here. Okay, here you can see speed. Now, when I move this here and when I click here, here you can see it is much slower. If I move it here, here you can see it is much faster. So you wish to make it slower. Now this is important. You wish to make your infographic video between 10 and 12 seconds long. You don't want to make it longer than that. You can make it shorter, but in my experience, best is between 10 and 12 seconds long. So make sure to all these animations set to be between 10 and 12 seconds long in total. Here you can see you can animate everything. All of these you can animate, okay? You can edit everything. For example, let's say this one, I will add this. As you can see, it is animating everything. Now, like I said, and you can add more charts. And when I go here on resources again, when I go back here, I can add some images. I can also go back here and I can add some shapes. For example, if I want to add some shapes, you can also add some interactive elements here. You can interactive questions. You can add widgets. You can add now interactive questions quite often work really well. If you wish to make, for example, quiz video, you can use this website to make a really good quiz videos with interactive questions. You can also insert some files. You can add a background. You can choose an image that you want. For example, here you can see this background is boring. You can add some image. Simply click here on upload image and you can upload that image. Click here on apply to all pages and that's it. You will add a background image and your infographic video will be much better. Now when you go back here on interactive elements and when you go here you can add an audio, you can add a music, and that is what I would strongly recommend, to add some royalty-free music, nice music that goes with this infographic. You can also record your voice or add some URL link, but you can also upload some music. Now, if you don't like it, you can also use some of those video editors to upload music on that video, okay? So I will go here, and like I said, on the free version, you cannot download this video. You can only share it on social media and on your website. Now, if you use paid plan, then you can simply click here and then you can click here on download and you will be able to download this video, this infographic video on your desktop, okay? And also without this watermark. And after that, all you have to do is just go back here on your Pinterest page and upload that video. And also you need to upload it on TikTok, on Instagram, and also on your YouTube channel as a shorts. And trust me guys, these videos go viral really easy. Your videos will go viral and you will start getting more and more organic followers, and you will start getting more and more organic reach, and you will start getting more and more free and organic traffic, and you will start making money with Deepseek and Pinterest affiliate marketing. And you can use it for ClickBank, for Digital24, for JVZoo, Warrior Plus, for Amazon, to promote your blog, your website, to promote your mailing list, or whatever you want. As you can see, it is really simple and really easy. But unfortunately, it is not free. Alternatively, you can use Canva and Adobe Express. So this is how you make money with Deepseek and Pinterest affiliate marketing.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.